All right, it's been about a week since I got to hunt, and we are gonna see if we can find any neat junk in this little playground. Need to make a video to feed the machine. Wish me luck. All right. Got our first target, and it looks like it's gonna be a quarter. Possibly. Maybe a Hot Wheel. We got enough. Still nothing. One-handed, no camera mount dig. What the heck is that? What is that? Well, that explains why it sounded like a quarter. Big old chunk of aluminum junk. Got a 7 right here. That it? Little black thing? Oh, it's still down there. There it is, the washer. All right, big excitement. I think we got our first penny. Oh, there it is. Definitely a penny. Sweet. This one's a 20, 25, 26, 27, but it's loud. So I'm thinking a Hot Wheel. Nope, nope, that's a dime. Crusty dime, been in there a while. 11 cents richer today. Alright. Copper penny signal in front of these swings. The moms have officially arrived and started doing their jazzercise over here. I don't know if you can hear Whip It in the background. Alright, got a dime. To whip it. Whip it good. I paused the video, but it was another dime. Shiny dime. Dime spill. Alright, we got a 21 penny signal right here. There it is. Another beautiful zinc penny. Another penny. Right next to the other one, so it's got to be a spill, right? We're giving up on the scoop. It's ridiculous, right? Got a penny. Anything else? Got my favorite number right here. It says it's shallow, so I'm just gonna go in with the pinpointer to pull out this giant diamond ring. Or a tore up piece of a die-cast car. Equally as awesome. Penny? For my thoughts? Yeah, this one-handed. Oh, you're killing me, dude. Come on. All the technical stuff ain't that hard. There it is, penny. Got 28 up next to this pole. Creepy dude in a white van over here. 6:30 in the morning, hanging out at the park. Oh yeah. Looks like we got us a Frida. Surf is fine. What does that say? It's one of those things for your Crocs. Oh. Dodgers. Got a 22 right here. It's bouncing back and forth between iron. What is that? Nothing. All right, one more. Playground bolt. 7/8 right here. Another washer. Sometimes I wonder how these playgrounds stay together with all the hardware I find in them. Looks like we got another penny. Silver ring, hopefully. It's a penny. It's down there. Oh yeah. Electrac FJV50 2017. Look at that bad boy. See-through. Find of the day. I've been finding these for over 2 years in this park. I can't imagine how many of them were on the necklace or bracelet that this came from, but I've probably found 20 or 30 of these in the last couple of years. All right, we got 20 right here. Crusty zinc penny. Nope, that looks like a rivet. Yep, it's a rivet. We got another quarter. Oh yeah, another shiny one. Oh, it's an eagleback. All right, 50 cents. All we need is a nickel for the 4-coin thing that is so fun to get when you're having no targets. All right, we got our 12. What a piece of foil. Is that really what my 12 was? Yep, that was it. Yay. Got another target coming up as a 30 right there in that animal track. Let's see what we got. I'll be happy with a quarter, but you know, silver ring would be better. Getting it on the first scoop would be even better. Or the second scoop. Or the third scoop. Said it was super shallow. All right, we're going in with the pinpointer because we're a failure. There it is, right. There it is. Another shiny quarter, 75 cents richer in quarters. We got a 2014 Fort Moultrie, South Carolina. Wish I was in South Carolina metal detecting. All right. We may have hit our dollar in quarters. Yep, there it is. $1 a day keeps the doctor away. All right, here's the crop up from the hour I did in the Tot Lot, or the wrap down. Pretty dismal little hunt, but I got some change and I got a Hot Wheel, and this little Dodgers thing would have been the find of the hunt if it wasn't ruined. Got a little bit of random jewelry bits, part of another die cast, some wheels, lots of stainless hardware, and that's about it. We didn't get the cycle, we didn't get the dime, I mean the nickel, we didn't get the nickel. All right, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and come back for the next one. We'll see you then. Also, there's all the crap from last week that when I dug those two, I dug that buffalo nickel and that war nickel and the Minnie Mouse pendant. These are the only other, bullet, key, and this mystery item. Does anybody know what this is? Sounded great, but just looks like a big chunk of brass. So if anybody knows what that is, let me know.